Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn British English with Deacon Rigo. This is A1 English Lesson 2. Today we will learn to talk about our family in simple English. You will learn new family words, practice speaking, improve your reading and listening. And most importantly, you will learn how to build your first simple English sentences. So by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to say and write easy sentences about your own family. Are you ready? Let's begin. Let's begin with vocabulary. Listen first, then repeat after me. Family, mother, father, brother, sister, grandmother, grandfather, son, daughter, home. Now let's repeat together. Family, mother, father, brother, sister, grandmother, grandfather, son, daughter, home. Excellent. Now we move on to conversation. Listen carefully. Hello. Who is she? She is my mother. Who is he? He is my father. Do you have a brother? Yes, I do. Do you have a sister? No, I don't. Very good. Now let's repeat together. Hello. Who is she? She is my mother. Who is he? He is my father. Do you have a brother? Yes, I do. Do you have a sister? No, I don't. Very good. Now let's move on to reading. Read with me. This is my family. My father is kind. My mother is a teacher. I have one brother. We are happy. Now let's read again. This is my family. My father is kind. My mother is a teacher. I have one brother. We are happy. Now we move on to grammar. Today we're going to learn how to build a simple English sentence. A simple sentence has three parts. We call it subject, verb, object. Let's see what they actually mean. Subject. The subject is the person, animal, or thing we are talking about. It usually comes at the beginning of the sentence. Examples: I, she, he, the dog, my mother. Verb. The verb tells us what the person, animal, or thing does. Here are some examples. Like, eat, read, play, have, is. Object. The object is a person or thing that receives the action. It usually comes after the verb. Here are some examples. An apple, a book, football, music, a pen. Now let's build a sentence together. I, subject, like, verb, apples, object. I like apples. I'll say together. I like apples. Excellent. Here's another one. She reads a book. She reads a book. Very good. One more. They play football. They play football. Excellent. Your turn. Can you make a sentence with the following? I eat rice. Excellent. Now change the last word. Change the object. Instead of rice, change to bread and then fruit. I eat bread. I eat fruit. Very good. Now we move on to writing. Now it's your turn. Pause the video. Write these 5 sentences. I love my family. My mother is kind. My father works hard. I have one brother. We are happy. Now write one sentence about your own family. Very good. Now we move on to the listening practice. Listen carefully. My father is a doctor. My mother is a teacher. I have one sister. We live together. Now repeat. My father is a doctor. My mother is a teacher. I have one sister. We live together. Now we move on to the pronunciation practice. Today's sound is Listen. Mother, man, morning, milk. Now repeat. Mother, man, morning, milk. Excellent. Quick review. Let's check. Who is she? She is my mother. Who is he? He is my father. Can you make a sentence? I love my family. Excellent. For homework, write 5 sentences about your family. Read them aloud 3 times. Introduce your family in English to a friend or family member. Well done. Today you learned new English words. You practiced listening, speaking, reading, and writing. You also learned how to build simple English sentences. Keep practicing a little every day. In lesson 3, we will learn about my school and build even more simple English sentences. See you in lesson 3. Goodbye.